Two separate courts have ordered immigration officials not to deport a Pennsylvania Indian man who spent 4 decades in prison before his murder conviction was overturned. Subramanyam Vedam, 64, is currently detained at a short-term holding center in Alexandria, Louisiana, that's equipped with an airstrip for deporting immigrants. Vedam, known as Subu, was transferred there from central Pennsylvania last week, relatives said. An immigration judge stayed his deportation on Thursday, until the Bureau of Immigration Appeals decides whether to review his case, and that could take several months. Vedam's lawyers also got a stay the same day in U.S. District Court in Pennsylvania, but said that case may be on hold given the immigration court ruling. Vedam came to the U.S. legally from India as an infant and grew up in State College, where his father taught at Pennsylvania State University. He was serving a life sentence in a friend's death in 1980 before his conviction was overturned this year. He was released from state prison on October 3rd, only to be taken straight into immigration custody. The Bureau of Immigration and Customs Enforcement is seeking to deport Vedam over his no-contest plea to charges of LSD delivery, filed when he was about 20 years old. His lawyers argue that the 4 decades he wrongly spent in prison, where he earned degrees and tutored fellow inmates, should outweigh the drug case. A Department of Homeland Security spokesperson said Monday that the reversal in the murder case does not negate the drug conviction. Having a single conviction vacated will not stop ICE's enforcement of the federal immigration law, Tricia McLaughlin, Assistant Secretary for Public Affairs, said in an email. Vedam's sister said Monday that the family is relieved that 2 different judges have agreed that Subu's deportation is unwarranted, while his effort to reopen his immigration case is still pending. Saraswati Vedam said, "We're also hopeful that Board of Immigration Appeals will ultimately agree that Subu's deportation would represent another untenable injustice, inflicted on a man who not only endured 43 years in a maximum security prison for a crime he didn't commit, but has also lived in the U.S. since he was 9 months old."